Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got to another video. In this video I'll show you how we can disable a Binance account. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's start. So for that, all you gotta do is simply open up your particular Binance app on your phone and tap on this option of profile icon given on top left corner. And from over here, simply go ahead, tap on this user ID on top, which is hidden right over here, but you will find it on top. Go ahead, tap on it. Now once you have done that, this kind of interface gonna pop up for the account center. Now over here, simply choose this option of security below the verifications. Then from security section, you're gonna scroll down to the bottom, and there you go, you will find this option of manage account, which you're gonna tap. And there the two options will pop up, which includes disable account and delete account. We simply need to disable it for a while, so we're gonna tap on the first one. Then once you've tapped on the disable account, this kind of interface is gonna pop up, which will show you the consequences of it. Once you are okay with it and still you want to do it, then tap on this option of disable account at the bottom, and your account will be disabled and you're good to go. So that's how you can do it. Hope this video was helpful to y'all. Thank you so much for watching, and yes, I'll see you guys in our next video.